Who's that guy? Who's this guy? Who's this guy? Who's this guy? What's that? So now, today's lesson, we are going to be majorly understanding what AI technology is, or what artificial intelligence is. We all know it in full that it is artificial intelligence. Anyone who can't write artificial intelligence, refer here. So now I'm going to be as detailed as I can in this short lesson, but I'm going to do it for the benefit of you who is watching me and from wherever you're watching me. So what is AI? Is it a robot? Is it here to destroy us? Is it here to kill us? Is it here to take our jobs? Is it here to destroy the planet? Is it a celestial being from the outer galaxy that is here to destroy humanity? A lot of theories and a lot of sci-fi thinking, but AI technology is a system in a computer, or a system in our computers, that gives it ability to simulate our intelligence through these steps. Nti AI ye system eri oba kangambe ye nkulakulanizze mu kompyuta zaffe, naye nga esobola okuteebereza oba okugeegeenya entegeera y'abantu oba amagezi g'abantu. Kitegeerekese. It is just a system in our computers that helps us that simulates our intelligence. So what does it mean? We made it. We own this stuff, huh? Guys, we own him. Now, if there's any gender activist on this channel, I'm sorry I called AI him, but we own it. Yeah, I know. So that was a nice cracker. Now, humans own AI. Imagine like a computer being able to write, being able to draw, being able to think, being able to reason, but through these, to simulate that human intelligence, it goes through these processes. And these processes is reason, adaptation, and learning. But now, after the computer having these abilities, which means it will be able to do things that required a lot of our time. Now, this is just when a few backload, or a lot of backload, or some kind of backload is taken away from us and now handed over to the computer. You understand? That is all AI. That is what AI is in general. It is now giving abilities to a computer to be able to drive cars. If you've been in Dubai, you've watched self-driving taxis. If you haven't been there, you've heard of my uncle's company called Tesla. Yeah, my uncle Elon Musk. You've heard of his company called Tesla. We make self-driving cars that are driving by themselves, and that is all by the power of artificial intelligence. So the computer in the car is giving it ability to drive itself. It is giving your phone ability to just generate a picture or a very beautiful image, just because you've simplified the way you're communicating to it just through words. You understand? So AI, I want you to see like the internet. I want you to understand it like this. You saw the internet. Were you here when the internet was coming? No, bro, for me, I'm Gen Z. I wasn't here. So you guys that were here, our millennials that are on this video, if you were here when the internet was coming, or when the internet came officially, everyone had access to information because of this gentleman. You know him? Because of this gentleman, everyone had access to information. The internet had just come in the times of the world WW, the World Wide Web. I can't believe I even used to fail this acronym. I used to say it's Wild Web. Don't take that serious. Yeah, so now the internet gave access to information to everyone. Everyone had information. And now what AI has done, it has given access to intelligence. People are building apps, people are generating images, people are generating movies, people are generating songs. Things that used to take years and months and days. You get? That is AI. Okay, now I have told you about the abilities AI learns through. A like superpowers za AI zeziriwa. Einamu reasoning, einamu adaptation, then einamu ne learning. Learning, AI eigira muki. How does AI learn? And how, okay, to simplify it, how does the machine get better at doing all this stuff for us? The machine has the ability to do this stuff for us because it is learning from data. It is learning from data. So the more information we feed it, the more smarter it becomes. Look at this. AI doesn't have common sense like us humans. It doesn't have any emotional constraints like it does things emotionally, which no, it doesn't. Water break. Now, AI learns from data. You see, the information that you get from ChatGPT, you can't be on this YouTube channel and you haven't yet interacted with ChatGPT, but it's all right. ChatGPT is neither mine or yours. It's for Sam. Sam made chat, but if you haven't used ChatGPT, ChatGPT is a large language model. It is text to answer. Yeah, it is a model that you interact with. Oyogera nayo kati oyogera, you can text at amanya ChatGPT. You teach that the guy who has just come here. Now, I want to show you. We had stopped on how AI learns from data. When you say hi GPT to it, this request goes millions of miles to a server that will have to make sure that ChatGPT gets the right answer. The right answer we all know is it will greet you again and say, hello. But it has learned from a lot of data on the internet that humans have been interacting with each other. When you say hi, humans say hello. It has been taught this. When a human says hi, the other human says hello. So now to create that simulation of the human intelligence is based on data that has been fed from it all over the internet for a very long time before they were here to the basic models that we have today. Yes. When I speak of models, I'm not meaning your sister doing OF. Oh, you said my sister does OF. Take it easy. you're going to enjoy very many of my classes. So when I'm speaking of a model, oh, sorry. So guys, for the break, this is Lynn. This is my best friend, Lynn. She's not my best friend, she's just my work partner. I like working with Lynn here. Lynn always reminds me of a lot. And now, so as I was telling you, that AI will always give you responses based on the data it has been fed. And this doesn't happen only with greetings. Even if you ask for what is the weather, this country, any other question that you've been, the business plan, the thousands of business plans actually that you've made and not executed on, that is all data that was fed from it. So, and now there's what we call, but before we go there, I want to take you to the types of AI. Yeah. So there are types of AI. We have weak AI and strong AI. The weak AI is the LLMs. Yeah. I know you're saying now, oh, but GPT can do this. Cloud Code is so powerful. You're making all those guru sounds. I don't need you to be manipulated by any guru, any AI guru. I need you to take this serious because I take it serious, and this is here to change the way our lives are going to be. But just it's a new sort of hard internet that not that anyone can fathom with, but it's the simplest technology to adopt to. Guys, now what if we reach AGI? We have to reach a time when even this duster of mine can be automated. And I will just say, okay, because look at this scenario, look at this story. Hear me out here, guys. Look at a scenario when every major company has added an AI agent in their software. An AI agent, whereby that now you can peruse through the software just by interacting with the AI agent they included. This is just at software level. Am I crazy to think that there is a time that will come that even when this duster of mine is automated and I'll just voice command it and I'm like, hey duster, rub the whiteboard. And on dropping it, it won't fall, just that it has fallen right now. But am I crazy to think that when I command it, like in a few years to, a few more years to come, it will just come here and rub for me? If you have been thinking like that, please leave it in the comments and let me know that I'm not the only one feeling that way. Types of AI. We have weak AI and strong AI. You might be, oh, my marker, sorry about that. You might be thinking, oh, GPT can't be a weak AI. Cloud Code is the best. Cloud Code is going to do this. Cloud Code. Currently here in Uganda, we all, actually majorly right now in the whole world, the AI that is available is weak AI. LLMs, voice agents, this basic interaction AI, interactive AI that you have. You understand? And then there is what we call strong AI. Ultron from the Avengers is a good example of strong AI, because Ultron used to do a lot of things that Alexa couldn't do. Ultron could enter the whole system of a country, the whole security system of a country. That is a strong AI. And every government must be having a strong AI. But just that, you're not supposed to know. Yeah, it's a conspiracy theory, by the way. And now the weak AIs, we have the LLMs and all the Alexa and all the AI that you've interacted with before. That is weak AI. Now, I want you to understand how AI will really apply in our lives, or it is currently applying, or how it was applying. The first time you interacted with AI and you didn't know, it must have probably been 2009 when this phrase got so famous. Is you see that? That's the first time you must have interacted with AI. Hey Siri, hey Siri, do this. Hey Siri, do this. Hey Siri, do this. Hey Siri, do this. Yeah, you're speaking to AI. So that was the first time AI actively came into our pockets. Yeah, but literally, you didn't know. Yeah, so that was an example also of weak AI. And Siri was also a voice assistant, just like Alexa. Yeah, Alexa from Amazon. And now that is how AI was. That is a clear example of how AI was applying in our lives previously, before the current age. And now we have content creation. Who hasn't generated a text to send to his or her lover without using AI? If you've never sent your lover an AI generated text, I don't know what you guys are doing out there, man. Automation. We will see things happening automatically just through a trigger. And I'll be showing you this journey, how automation is going to be done using tools like N8N, Make, Zapier, creating hyper beautiful complex systems that are running real companies. We are going to do this shit, guys. So the other is security. AI is used in security. Yeah, don't trust every camera that you find around. These guys are having systems, AI systems in the cameras that track real-time data. They will see where you are going. They will see your heat signature. That is AI. Yeah. These are applications. I've spoken of content creation. I know you are waiting for me to speak of the videos, but please, we use AI in generating videos, and very many lessons are coming up on how you can create this. Guys, someone help me and recommend a remover. Yes, this thing is messing up my blackboard, my whiteboard. Now, how does this AI learn? We got to know it. It learns from data. Yeah, you've been following. And now, there is what we call machine learning. Machine learning is a process through which these computers are taught, or through which these models are trained. And that will be for the next time. So now, right now, I hope you understand, and I believe you understand what artificial intelligence is. As a layman, the types of AI that are here, you now understand the use cases of AI, and you now understand when AI just came to your pocket. So please stop thinking of AI as something that you've had in mind before. Let's clear out that, and let's get to the institutional order and understand this technology. See you in the next video. Yeehaw! See you in the next video. Yeehaw!